Good morning friends, my name is Ashish Nitya Patil. Today's date is 13 September 2021 and today's topic is queries interface. So let's see which are what is queries, what is database in SQL. So database is nothing but the database is nothing but to store the data, in the form of rows and columns. So it is nothing but a database. So how to handle or how to create the data with the help of that queries. So let's discuss one by one query. So first query is first of all we want to select we want to create a database, that is create database, or suppose if you can also do that show databases query, so that you can first know that the database which you want to create that already exists or not. So first we check that show databases. Suppose if the database is not exist, then create database and the name for the database is employee and semicolon. Next to that is use that database, use employee semicolon. Next to that is create table in create table employee underscore table. In first let's take an ID as in common name as varchar. Pass the size, by default size is 45. So and semicolon. So now your database is also created and your table is also created. So that now your table is null. So insert the values into the table. So first of all, let's get that insert into table link, that is employee table. Values first is 1 comma in quotes. Let's take an Alex. So and bracket complete semicolon. So your first enter will be means your first data will get inserted into that table. So next to that of is let's take second data that is insert into second and insert into second. Next to that of is let's take the name of max or 200 max and semicolon. Next to that of is insert into 3 Alexander. So now your data is having your table is having 3 values, that is of employee name, that is Alex, Alexander and Max. So suppose you want to describe your table, that is DESC employee table, so that you have see the parameters which are present in the table or the rows or the columns which you have. So it will be described that. Suppose you have used the show tables, so in database or employee or the tables which are present, it will be get displayed. So next to that is suppose so insert describe table, so that you are having, and suppose you want to see the table, so let's select star from employee underscore table, select star from employees, where directly you can do that, select star from employees underscore table, so that you having the brief means you having display that your entries will be done or not. So this is nothing but how to create a database, how to create table in the database, how to insert the values into the database. Suppose you want to check the max ID in the table, so how you can do that? So for that let's take select max bracket ID from the employees table, so that it will be print that max ID is 3, so it will be printed that. Suppose you want to select the mean ID in that, so what you want to do is select mean in bracket ID from table or employee table, so it will be showing the minimum ID in the employee table. So this is nothing but a database. That means you can create a database, you can create table in the database, you can insert the values into the database itself. That's all from my side. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day to all.